Hello, everyone, and welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we shall talk about show, don't tell. Show, don't tell is actually a creative writing technique that the writers use to create a clear picture in the reader's mind. It makes the story much more interesting and allows the reader to fully understand how a character feels. For example, instead of saying Kim was scared, which is a very basic sentence, you can show it by saying Kim shivered when the wind howled and knocked at his window with his eyes popping out of the sockets. Read the sentence yourself and see the difference between the first one and then its up leveled version. This is what we call show don't tell. And to teach our kids this technique, we should learn it ourselves first. And how you would do that, I'll tell you after a few more examples. So, the other example is Lara got angry. This is a frequently used word, and we use it in our stories to talk about someone who's angry. In this sentence, you are simply telling your reader that Lara was angry. But now let's check out this sentence. Lara's face turned red. She gritted her teeth and clenched her fist. Now, this is a picture that you have painted in your reader's mind that how she literally felt or what she literally did, right? Another example is her hands went cold and drops of sweat traveled from the nape of her neck and vanished in her collar. If your character felt nervous or anxious, you can depict it by telling that her hands went cold and because of nervousness or anxiousness, she was sweating. And we are only not telling that she was sweating, but the sweat traveled from the nape of her neck and vanished in her collar. So again, you are picturing something in your reader's mind with your words. You are showing it. I was shocked. This is a simple sentence. You must have read it, you must have used it. But have you ever thought to write the same thing in this way? My heart was hammering so hard as if it had shifted position to somewhere between my ears. Now, this sentence is clearly depicting the situation of your character who is shocked. He can hear his heart drumming somewhere between his ears, right? I hope you're enjoying how the sentences are changing here. Now, when it comes to teaching kids, we can start with simple short sentences. For this, you can get the worksheets from my website. They have to read these sentences and will match them with the correct emotions or feelings that are made here, drawn here. But to teach anything or everything in a systematic way to kids, you need to take some training as a teacher or as a parent. And for that, I'm offering my creative writing teachers training workshop. Let's embark on a creative voyage of discovery starting from the 19th of August to the 23rd of August at 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. UAE. If you are in India, so the starting time is 8:30 p.m. If you are in Pakistan, the starting time is 8 p.m. If you are in KSA, means Saudi, the starting time is 6 p.m. You can convert this time to your time zone. The learning investment for this course is 220 AED. You can join the group given in the description box to reach out to me and to get enrolled in this workshop. Let's learn to teach creative writing to kids, whether you are a parent or a teacher. And believe me, this course will bring a significant difference in your understanding towards creative writing and the ways how you can teach this skill to your kids. So join me, share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care, bye for now, and don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.